I think resistance usually shows up in three forms. So I would say fear, distrust, and then friction. So if we start with fear, employees worry, is AI replacing me? Leaders worry about, is this creating risk I can't explain to LPs? To overcome that, I think you really want explicit messaging, right? So you want to say AI won't replace judgment, it will replace process. What I find is that the best investors are still the best investors, but with a better tooling, higher throughput, sharper pattern recognition. You frame AI as augmentation, and then you prove it by redesigning work. So you show what AI takes off the plate. So it takes off admin, it takes off first drafts, it takes off extraction, and what that frees up. So you get higher quality analysis and more time with management teams and more time on value creation. On the second point, the distrust, I think people have seen hallucinations all over the news. They've also seen overconfident outputs, and nobody in private capital wants to be embarrassed in front of an investment committee. I think the answer to that is, or it isn't, I think, trust the model. It's going back again to change management, it's trust the process. So you put quality controls around it, you have citations where they're possible, you have structured prompts, you have second source verification, a sliding scale of review. You don't have to review everything word for word, but high impact use means higher scrutiny. And so what you do there is you normalize that. I think AI outputs are like a talented but unreliable junior analyst. So they're fast, they're super useful, but they still need supervision. And then just on the third point, friction. Look, if AI lives in a separate app with separate logins and it's unclear what data can go in and what people can do with it, frankly, they won't bother. Right? They'll revert to their old habits in a week. So you have to, I think, reduce friction relentlessly. You need approved tools, you need single sign-on, you need template. Where possible, you want to have integrations into where people actually work. So you use Outlook or Word or Excel or CRMs or your data rooms.